One of the most important features of the Firelight application is that anytime we have a wooden subfloor, we're going to use metal chimney flue to vent the fireplace, as opposed to our masonry chimney system, which needs a full masonry foundation.
So why do you need to use metal chimney in this application?
So to reduce the overall weight of the system.
Okay.
So the fireplace can be supported by the wooden subfloor, but you have to have a metal chimney flue above the firebox for weight restrictions.
So Ecosteel chimney system, tell us a little bit about it.
So this is a proprietary chimney system, specifically for venting Isokern fireplaces. It is air-cooled chimney flue, approximately 13 inches in inside diameter, 15 inches in outside diameter. It has snaps where each part snaps together. There's also pre-drilled pilot holes on each side of the chimney system, so it both snaps together and it can be secured with screws on the job site. This is an air-cooled chimney flue with a stainless inner liner and a galvanized outer ring, and you see the space between the two rings. That's literally what creates the insulation between the two systems to ensure that the outside doesn't get too hot. You still have a 2-inch clearance to wood framing around this chimney system. So you'll need approximately 20 inches square as you transition from one living space to the next.
So within the Ecosteel chimney system, we've got pipe in varying lengths.
Correct.
We've got offsets, fire stops, and also terminations for that system. And here is the kind of the basic stainless steel cap, right?
Correct. So this is a spark arrestor rain cap. Would be specifically engineered for the Ecosteel chimney system. This would be the very last piece that goes on above the roof line. You see the flat top ensures that rain or weather does not get inside the chimney system. This is a spark arrestor to ensure that sparks get caught before they fly out. And this is just a nice clean way to weatherproof the very top of a chimney system.
Other options to terminate the chimney?
For metal chimney flue, you have our Ella metal chimney caps, which do a really good job of recreating the look of a clay chimney pot. And we also have copper options above the roof line.